elections, the campaign trail for the first phase of the Lok Sabha elections is set to conclude today. Top brass of the BJP and Congress are campaigning aggressively, making their final appeals to voters. Prime Minister Modi held a public meeting in Nalbari, in Assam, along with Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, and also one in Agartala. On the Congress front, Priyanka Gandhi is campaigning in Saharanpur in UP, the only seat from UP where Congress is contesting in this particular phase, the first one. She attacked Prime Minister Modi, accusing him of falsely labeling Congress of attacking Sanatan Dharma. Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, is focusing on Karnataka with planned rallies in Mandya and Kolar. With a total of 102 seats from 14 states and union territories up for grabs, the political atmosphere is intensely charged as parties make their final bids to sway voters before the polls this Friday.
4 जून जरा पूरी ताकत से आवाज आनी चाहिए। 4 जून, फिर एक बार, सारी जून, जिस नॉर्थ ईस्ट को कांग्रेस ने सिर्फ समस्याएं दी थी, उसे बीजेपी ने संभावनाओं का स्रोत बना दिया है। कांग्रेस ने अलगाववाद को खाद पानी दिया, मोदी ने पूर्वोत्तर को गले लगाने का काम किया। मोदी ने शांति और सुरक्षा के लिए प्रयास किए। जो कांग्रेस के 60 वर्षों में नहीं हुआ, वो मोदी ने 10 वर्षों में करके दिखाया। क्योंकि मेरे लिए आपके सपने, ये मेरा संकल्प है। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सियासी फायदों के लिए इस क्षेत्र को अपने में पंजे में फंसा कर रखा था। कांग्रेस के पंजे ने पूर्वोत्तर को इसलिए जकड़ रखा था ताकि उनके लिए भ्रष्टाचार और लूट के दरवाजे खुले रहें। अब ये पंजा खुल गया है तो असम में सबका साथ सबका विकास का मंत्र लागू हुआ है।
একোতো নাই, ক'ৰবাত 2-3 হাজাৰ মানুহ ওলাইছে, মই গম পোৱা মতে একো নাই। প্ৰিয়ংকা গান্ধীক চাব কোন আহিব? তাতকৈ মানুহ কাজিৰঙাত যাব, বাঘ গড় চাব। বেছি সময়টো বেছি উপযোগী হ'ব। গান্ধী ফেমিলিক চাই লাভ আছে নেকি? আমুল বেবী হয় এইবিলাক, হয় নহয়? দেখিলে লাগে যেন আমুল কেম্পেইনটোতহে এওঁলোক সাজে। গতিকে আমুল বেবী এইবিলাক, আমুল বেবীক চাব যোৱাতকৈ কাজিৰঙাত গড় চাওকগৈ, বেছি লাভ হ'ব। धन्यवाद।
दोनों तरफ से राम की बात हो रही है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और योगी आदित्यनाथ भी राम की बात कर रहे हैं, राम आएंगे और पूरा उस तरीके से। तो किनके राम सही है? क्या राम सियासत में आने चाहिए?
राम देखिए, राम एक ही है।
असल राम भक्त है।
असल राम भक्त वो है जो सत्य के पथ पर चलता है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, किसी भी धर्म का हो, किसी भी जाति का हो। वही राम भक्त है जो सत्य को पकड़ता है और सत्य के पथ पर चलता है। जहां तक मैं देख रही हूं, भाजपा की सरकार ने एक सत्य का पथ नहीं चुना है, क्योंकि जनता के सामने सत्य नहीं आ रहा है। और मैं इतना कहूंगी कि मोदी जी के सामने भी इस देश की सच्चाई आज दिख नहीं रही है उनको। मोदी जी को ये दिख नहीं रहा है कि इस देश का जो आम आदमी है, देश का गरीब है, देश का किसान है, देश की गरीब महिला है, कितना तरस रही है, कितना तड़प रही है, कितना तड़प रहे हैं लोग। क्योंकि महंगाई आसमान छू रही है, बेरोजगारी बढ़ गई है, कम नहीं हुई है। और मुझे ताज्जुब होता है कि 10 सालों के लिए सरकार में रहे हैं, इनके पास इतनी सत्ता है, अपार सत्ता है। ये खुद कहते हैं, अपने मियाँ मिट्ठू खुद बनते हैं, कहते हैं कि अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू कहते हैं कि ये पूरी दुनिया में सबसे बड़े मोदी जी हैं। भाजपा के नेता कहते हैं ठीक है, मोदी जी के पास इतनी सत्ता है, अपार सत्ता है। तो अगर इतनी सत्ता है तो 10 सालों में रोजगार क्यों नहीं बढ़ाए, महंगाई क्यों नहीं घटाई?
So it's the last day of campaign for the first phase of the Lok Sabha polling, and here in Saharanpur you can see Priyanka Gandhi campaigning along with Imran Masood right behind us. The entire cavalcade moving through a busy market of Saharanpur. party flags, Congress flags, a lot of sloganeering and a lot of music is what we are seeing rolled out. Clearly, the Prime Minister said that the UP Ke Ladke have launched 2 flop films, and this is in fact a response. Yogi Adityanath campaigning almost 4 times in Saharanpur, taking out a roadshow. We've seen in the past, Imran Masood has been pitched against Majid Ali of the BSP and Raghav Lakhanpal, who defeated him in 2014. Interesting battle. The Rajput community, you can see turbans here supporting Imran Masood in patches. One will have to wait and see how this really rolls out for the Congress and the India bloc in Saharanpur. This is Mosmi Singh in Saharanpur with video journalist Pradeep for India Today.
Mosmi is getting us more details on that story, joining us in fact live right now. Mosmi, you had a word with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra talking about the fact that the BJP government and the Prime Minister are just painting this picture that the Congress really... Okay, I'm going to go across to Piyush now. Mosmi, in a moment from now. Piyush, in fact, the Congress has been saying this, that this is an attempt to, in fact, paint a picture of the Congress being anti-Hindu. Clearly, the attempt is to polarize, which isn't true. Priyanka Gandhi vociferously put forth her party's position as far as Sanatan Dharma is concerned.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. Priyanka Gandhi has put forth what the party views is on the Sanatan Dharma. In fact, she's also saying that there are many issues like joblessness, corruption, on which the Modi government must answer. She's also asking that the Modi government got the brute majority and BJP got brute majority, and what kind of work they have done. They are just talking on non-issues. This is what the Congress party is escalating attack on Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember that, Sneha, today is the last day for the campaigning of the first phase of elections for Lok Sabha elections, and it's going to be a litmus test for the India alliance because there are many issues on which they are going among the people. It remains to be seen as to how the people are going to look into the promises which they are making to the electorates. On the other side, marathon rallies are being done by the leaders of BJP. Prime Minister Modi held a roadshow yesterday in Assam. Today he did a rally also there. The Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is in down south in Kerala, where he's doing 3 rallies, big rallies, and then we have multiple programs of Yogi Adityanath, Home Minister Amit Shah, then we have programs of JP Nadda. So both these sides are now trying their best to woo the electorates. They are telling them the multiple things, multiple promises are being made. Remember that the campaigning for 102, campaigning for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections are going to end today, and the voting will take place on 19th of April. On that particular day, the constituencies, 102 constituencies will go to poll spread across 14 states, and it's going to be a litmus test for both BJP and the Congress party. Absolutely. Because multiple promises have been made by both the parties. It remains to be seen as to how people are going to respond to what they are requesting them or are claiming, be it about the political parties.
That's right. Be with us. Is coming back to you. Mosmi also continues to be with us. Mosmi was in conversation with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who is in fact campaigning very actively. Mosmi, but the big question remains is that the cadre, the workers of the Congress, in fact, obviously would want the Gandhis to continue to represent the Gandhi pocket borough of Amethi and Rai Bareli, but the Congress has really kept the suspense on that one on, isn't it?
See, you know, Sneha, we'd stuck our neck out earlier, if you remember, saying that in all likelihood it was Rahul Gandhi who's going to contest from Amethi, or perhaps maybe the Gandhi siblings could swap constituencies between Rai Bareli and Amethi, but the former Gandhi bastion will not be left untended to by the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka. And now, even today, Rahul Gandhi indicating that the decision will be left to the Congress party. Even so, when he said that, everybody knows in the Congress circles that the screening committee had passed a resolution, a unanimous resolution saying that the Congress workers and leaders want that Rahul Gandhi should contest from Amethi and Priyanka Gandhi from Rai Bareli. And then the last word was left to the Gandhis. So clearly, you know, we'll have to hold our horses till the 26th of April. the last day, the day of polling in Wayanad, and the day when the nominations start in Amethi and Raebareli, and we'd know better what's really brewing up there. But clearly, as Piyush highlighted, it's the last day of the first phase, and campaigning has reached feverish pitch. It was a sluggish start from either side, especially the India bloc, but slowly a high-octane battle being witnessed on ground zero.